Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Volkswagen Id.3 key battery. Okay, you need a flathead screwdriver, and you need the CR2032 battery. First, you need to release the mechanical key here, emergency key. Yeah, you press the button here. Okay, pull it out, and the battery's in there. Yeah, we need to remove the cover here. Yeah, if you use the screwdriver, you see there's a gap there. Yeah, you just kind of like you push it up like that. Yeah, you see, you push it up, you see, go up like that. Yeah, so you just remove the cover. Here's a CR2032 battery. So gently ply out the battery, the whole battery, like that. There you go. Here's the battery. Yeah, CR2032 battery. To replace it, yeah, to go in like that. Yeah, the spring side. Yeah, the spring side go in first. Press it down. Yeah, yeah, and put the battery cover back on. See here, the hook go in to the end here. Yes, place it down gently. Okay, insert the emergency key. Yeah, that's it. It's all done. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.